what's good YouTube? So we come back with another video. It's the first video, it's not another video, but anyway, come back to make a video about trade recap of 13th of June. This is what the trade that we took on ES in our fresh account Alpha Capital. Let me show you in a bit. This is Alpha Capital dashboard, a new fresh 10k two-step account with 10% drawdown, 10% profit target. So I hope we can make it. This is the trade of today, 100% win rate, and we just made around $100. Yeah, just let me show you. I risked 1%, so I risked $100, but I made less. Let me show you why. So in the start of the day, we go to Nasdaq first and we delete this. Yeah, in the start of the day, we go to the 4-hour chart, and we have this big imbalance right here. So I was bearish for the day. I will explain the strategy later in another video, but let me show you a couple of things right now. So I was bearish on the day. I waited for the price to fill at least 50% of this big imbalance so we can drop. Especially with the war news right now, it's affecting Nasdaq and ES very badly. Anyway, but also I was waiting for the price to hit equilibrium of this range. What's this? Yeah, I was waiting to hit the equilibrium of this range, and even this order block. So this series of up close candles, I see them as an order block. So, and then we go to markets open. Let me delete this again. You know, this fair value gap is here. Let me go. Where is the market open? We waited for market open, and also we had news at 10 a.m. So we waited for market open. Market goes higher. What the market did, it takes Asia high. So I don't, when I'm bearish, I want the market to take Asia high and London high, and then reverse to target Asia low and on London low. So that was my main target. And when I'm bullish, it's the reversal, you know. So why I did choose to trade ES today, let me show you. Markets open, we ripped higher. It's going on 5 minutes, it's gonna be way clear. Then we made, the minute we took Asia high, we made an SMT. So we made an SMT divergence with the ES. This is 5-minute SMT divergence. Let me show you the ES later. I think I can show you. I'm not used to the platform yet. Excuse me. SMT. Yes, yeah. So I'm bearish. Pretty much, no, this is the SMT. This is Nasdaq. So I am bearish. Nasdaq made SMT with ES. So I am intending to trade the weaker assets, of course. So I went to the ES. This is the SMT. We pretty much did the same on the ES. We have a big ass imbalance right here. We hit the order block. We took Asia high. Let me show you, where is Asia high? Yeah, we took Asia high right here, and then we wanted to drop lower. So how I did, I scaled it to the 5-minute. We took Asia high. We invalidated this bullish fair value gap, and we made an SMT. So everything here is screaming bearish, 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 at least to this relative equal lows, you know, and also these lows. I don't know why we didn't take them. This is London low, yeah. So after we closed underneath this fair value gap, we hit micro time. I waited for the 10 a.m. news candle. So let me show you. Yeah, this was the 10 a.m. news candle. Advice for you guys: never trade before news. So we're here. We have validated this, and then we come back, retested the fair value gap. I was waiting in the 1 minute for any indication of short, any invalidation of a bullish fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap, something like this, just to enter short. So we tested this 5 minute fair value gap a couple of times. So and then yeah, how this working? Yeah, and then we basically at 10 at 10 10 yeah at 10 a.m. at 10 a.m. yeah, we made the break of structure or the market structure shift, call it whatever you want. Yeah, with this 10 a.m. candle, we left this fair value gap. So I waited for retest, and when we just retested this fair value gap, I entered here stop loss about this level. So stop loss placement basically was in the 5 minute inversion gap. So we retested it once, twice, third times. For me, we don't really need to retest it one more time. And also it's protected with this bearish PDRA, this big fair value gap, and this big order block too. And we pretty much respect that. Let me show you how I managed the trade. So yeah, we came back all the way to the above the 50% of this fair value gap. Here I was saying, oh come on, this trade is gonna be loose. But then we break lower, we come back again. I had hope in this order block that he will protect my stop loss. I pretty much had a nice and protected stop, 7 point stop loss, yeah. And then we broke lower again. We left this fair value gap and this order block pretty much protected the price very well. And then pretty much when we broke this low, I saw the momentum becoming lower, and we are in the war, the war news. I didn't want to hold the full position. I didn't want to hold the full position like forever. So I exited here. I took partials. I took 50% of my trade, and I was letting the rest for London lows. But it really didn't get taken. This is London low, yeah. It didn't get taken. Eventually, it stopped me at break even at the rest. So yeah, we took nice 1 to 8 RR. So it's pretty much enough. I didn't trade for the full week. The conditions were so bad, and now we catch this win. We gotta be grateful. So this is it for today. So we hope you learned something. Peace.